Hi everyone, Nathan Hall here. I'm calling this lesson Earth Science, but it's mainly about environmental science because I understand a lot of students have been moved into that class now. So that's what we're going to look at here. First, quick review of our vocabulary. These are some terms we went over in past lessons. We had these ones from a recent reading on the Amazonian people using math. Then these ones from a while ago. But yes, this was on life in extreme environments, which is not something we'll be talking about, but some of these terms will come up again. So we're going to look at properties of nature. We'll look at some of the things coming up in environmental science class and some others as well. So quick question. Curious if anyone's ever seen a canyon, arroyo, mountain, or other feature that was affected by wind and rain. Have you ever seen them in Pennsylvania? Because I know they're out there in Puerto Rico. If you go out west, like Arizona, Nevada, everywhere. So big thing to learn about here, the water cycle. The thing to know is water, we always have the same amount. We can't make more, we can't lose it. Just changes forms. It's always going through. Same water as the dinosaurs had. So precipitation, that's rain, snow, evaporation, steam, humidity, condensation, what appears on the outside of a glass when it's really cold out. Water kind of clings to the colder thing, which is kind of neat. And why is the Earth's surface constantly changing? Because it is right now. A big part of it comes down to weathering. The fact is, our weather is changing our world around us. It changes our houses and cities too. Check out this one, Angkor Wat in Cambodia. You can see the trees, the weather going right through. So the Earth's surface is changing. Some parts up high, some below. Let's check out these landforms here throughout the United States. Pretty much all of these are. Even the islands around Puerto Rico, Florida is a peninsula, a body of land with water on three sides. Lakes, rivers, prairie, big flatlands, mountains out here, plateaus, goes up, and flat. So what kind of weather damages the Earth? Let's see, mainly the ice storms will. Hailstorms will damage our cars, heat waves, pretty much any kind. And what kind of terrain is affected? These are some words that'll come up. Pretty much all of these. These ones by wind and water in particular. Waterfalls dig deep roots into the land. Here a dune, you might see this on a beach even, blows up. Lakes change shape, even rivers do. So that's some terms. Erosion. Wind, water, they wear away land over time. Abrasion, scraped, worn away. If you ever rub your hand on a carpet, big red mark, abrasion. Uniformitism, not sure this will come up, but it's the idea that the forces have made the way the world it is under one pressure, which is not a very good theory. Don't worry too much about that, but might come up. And mechanical weathering. This is when the rocks are broken down, but they're still rocks. Same elements of chemicals, just smaller places. So what causes this? Water going through. What can make something like this worse? More water. What can make it better? I don't know, divert it, build in some things. So check this out. Here, wind scrapes it away. A place like Puerto Rico, we wouldn't see this. Not many places in Pennsylvania either. Be kind of rough stone because out here, nothing to block the wind, no trees or anything. So an abrasion, if you're falling off your bike, I have a scar on my hand from when I did that. You can lose some skin. So mechanical weathering just gets smaller. This is why I didn't like uniformitarianism. It's the belief that the forces affecting the Earth are the same that always has. But the Earth is not the same as it was millions or even billions of years ago. So some changes. Meteorites. This was caused by one. Ice ages. La Era de Hielo. That can happen. Weather will be different. It's getting hotter now. So a few more terms to know. Thawing. Something's cold. It gets warm again. Release. Set free. Pressure. Pushing down on something. Organisms. All living things. Acid rain. It's when this is chemical weathering here. This is when chemicals mix with the rain, particularly that smog. And climate, the usual weather a place has. Here's an example. This is from Bayamon last August. What caused it? A lot of rain, a lot of wind. And this is one thing we'll talk about too. We can get rock slides, where things move very quickly and fast. Very slowly goes down, long way down. So some types of mass movement you can see here sliding down. You can see debris coming down. And those are some words that will be on your test, so be sure you know these. And let's see, this one. Wow, this is an old lesson, sorry. Going to delete that out. So be sure you know these words. I reviewed some of these in here. Others will come up in your science class, wherever that is. Any questions? Come to the live class, come to English Cafe or Science Cafe. They can help you with this one. And that'll do it, so goodbye for now.